Friends, subscribers, and no strangers, what's up? Bearded Picker here. You're not going to believe this. I bought a storage locker thanks to that guy. Storage locker, that guy. All right. I know y'all want to know what the hell's in it and what the hell did you pay for it. We'll get to that.
Hey guys, Bearded Picker, what's up?
Oh, the Danish cookies are good.
Okay. Come on. What are y'all hanging around that side for? Ta-da. This is why we bought this one, because it's only 5 boxes, 6 plus some tools. And look at my new big ass boots. Those work all right.
Not bad.
Yeah. It's Carhartt vest. Extra large. All right.
Either you don't wear an extra large.
This is like a child size extra large.
Fat guy in a little coat. Or Tommy boy. And there's the door again.
Damn it. I know how we're going to go.
Take that coat.
I got my beard in the zipper too. God.
Dude, that's you. You know what? Hey, you could be in a motorcycle, a good biker in a motorcycle gang.
Do they wear Carhartt? God. Ugh. So this is constricting. That's gotta be the one closet, right? I got his keys.
Oh, shoot, I mean. I forgot you were.
You want some grizzly?
That ain't got chew in it. It's got drugs.
What's that a key to?
See, this is where people hide marijuana.
Master key.
Yeah, it is chew.
What was that? It's a bag full of
Laundry.
female personal products.
A gun.
Cha-cha! Oh, it works.
Like 50 cents of your money back. Let me just start throwing it in your car.
Sure.
What phone was that?
I got a phone. It's a Galaxy or something in an hour box.
What is it?
It's a Galaxy of some sort. It looks.
You're the Android guy, do you not know?
It's an S9 Plus.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's a good phone. That's worth more than you know.
That's awesome.
Got an S9 Plus.
Travel, and then it's got the guy's last name. But it did say travel on that box.
He's trying. Hey, that match plug. Is that the one?
That's the one they cut off. They were Ariat boots. You know how much you want for size? 10.5. What do you want for those?
What size you wear?
10 or 10.5. If I wear thicker socks.
Yeah, that's what I wear. Look at this Ariat vest. Dusty said this was worth $45.
About 50, yeah.
There's some Western shirts in here. Woo! That is a Wrangler shirt. And another Wrangler shirt. And guess what? A Wrangler. What? That's an interesting storage method there. I'm going to put 3 shirts in a vest.
You know what that junk is? That's just waterproofing. I can get that off. And those still got some decent treads. I don't know. I'll throw them on my car. We'll make a deal.
Alright.
That's not, I mean, it is. Wait a minute. Did I say Justin? Did I say Harriet? So they got Harriet insoles, but they're Justin work boots.
I don't know.
Doesn't make any sense. Travel, travel, travel. They all say travel. That one is pretty heavy.
Are y'all enjoying the beard? This is my first ever solo locker. Are y'all excited?
It's not solo when you got your buddy tagging along.
Sub to Alabama Pickers. If y'all not sub to him,
No.
y'all are missing great hour-and-a-half long videos riding the car.
Talking videos.
Okay, so I didn't bring you gloves, so that's good.
See something?
More gloves. More gloves. Milwaukee gloves. These are Milwaukee gloves. That
I
can't
love the Craftsman work gloves are my favorite.
Hey, the wall.
And that's a good sign. 12 charge.
Hey, those Klein.
$20.
Hey, those are Klein too. Those are Klein pliers, man. That's a heck of a set of pliers.
Dang it! I should have bought this unit.
He's the one that told me about it. He's like, it went over $100.
Here you go.
I need some sap for my vagina. It's over $100.
No, I set myself a personal limit. And
Okay, so that's be a lesson, guys. If you've got a limit, stick to it. I mean,
I'm overwhelmed with crap. That's still got more stuff in it. That's all I have.
this is a good one here. This is all keepers. And not to mention, this is right about my alley. It's 5 boxes. Hey, I know I've been struggling to keep up with these, but look what I got.
I found this knife on the ground and it wasn't folded. I think there's a reason somebody threw it away.
Yeah, somebody paper taped these bags.
Oh my gosh, women's underwear.
Woo! I was about to say, it feels like women's underwear. Stay tuned for me to try on these spandex.
Hey, look.
Hey, look. Look forward to me wearing these. Hey, according to John Chartier, this is $1 million idea right here. I'm just messing with you, John. Man. Come on, man. I got some combat boots.
Women's.
There you go. All these Uggs and cookies. Australian, aren't they? Cookies?
Yeah, those are real. Those are decent. Coochie.
Under my size, though. I look forward to trying them.
Look. Hotel toilet paper.
Yeah, this dude stole toilet paper from a hotel. So here's a pair of girlfriend crop. How big is a girlfriend at size 24? I called John's name and he called me on the phone. Okay, so these right here are new with tags. Girlfriend crop. She's a big one. Not that there's anything wrong with that. Just heck, I'm a big one.
So you're laughing.
Oh, God. Jesus. I'll say whatever I want to.
Alright, you done with this one?
Yeah. We'll go through this at home.
I got
Oh, shit. I was going to drop it.
I didn't even warn me. By the way, I'm gonna drop. Hey, can I have these? They're just brand new. I get, you always tell Stevie coming with that.
Oh, do I still wear them damn neon socks?
I'm getting the game. Like, oh, want some girls neon socks. I think you might close again. A weave.
Everybody else gets excited about safes and everything else. That's what I'm talking about right there.
Dude, you got you a second weave. This lock and hold 26 inch.
There you go. This is business party, business in the front, party in the back.
You're like a chicken frozen.
I got to look forward to the purple weed.
Oh, weed.
There was some weed in here we already threw. All right, some suave men. Africa's best herbal oil.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Anybody, you want to take a card? There you go.
What's that say on it?
Blackjack. Anybody need a cable? Just let me know. Lightning cables, micro USB. Yeah. That's probably all the cables go to that phone number.
There's some prayer beads.
Every bald man needs a comb.
Some prayer beads. That's praying that I take to my storage unit.
Here's a picture. Somebody's neck. You need some deodorant?
Here you go. Oh man.
Hey, look, I got. All right, this was my unit, right? There's a Canon camera. It looks like somebody beat the hell out of it. I look forward to seeing their naked pictures.
Cake, Mobile, Alabama.
We'll find out what's on it because there's a memory card in there.
I wonder if that's Mardi Gras.
Huh.
That could be the
Can you
Mobile Mardi
wear
Gras.
glasses?
Who made China?
Yeah, China, Tennessee.
Suntastic.
I began to see why they abandoned this unit.
Uh-oh.
Roll Tide, baby.
That's a 2. Is that a 2X? Good shirt though.
I did get some towels.
You did get lots of towels. The boxes said travel. I thought they said towel. They either said travel or towel.
Yeah. The rest of this one.
Thanks. No, I'm good. I know used socks. I only picked the other ones up because they're brand new. I don't do used socks and used underwear. Sorry.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 110%.
Because I just found them.
And those glasses suck.
If she had a size 24 pair of pants, she's got the bloomers to go with them.
The bloomers.
So look at that. No bounds. Yes, I have them.
Is that it on that one? Uh-oh. Feels like towels. This is nice stuff.
Who knows all the trouble to make her take this stuff? Anybody need a pillow?
Ugh, garbage.
Pillow. Towel?
You know, you could probably drop all these towels off at the rescue mission.
Or at a freaking hotel. I don't know what I got here, but it's that's a whole lot of hair right there. Are y'all still enjoying
Miami Dolphins. Beanie with pop-on. You got a lot of plastic shopping bags. You make your money back off of. I mean, you make money off this. You get just off
No, the
that.
phone is worth money. You forget there's a phone.
What was the phone worth?
Like 225. And
Gucci.
I will be one of them sites that sells used underwear for you freaks out there.
Here you go, fake Gucci. Dude, that's you though.
You call it fake Gucci? What do you call it?
Gucci.
Oh, this is why Dusty and I don't do too many videos together.
Moon pie.
Oh.
On air mints.
And some more candy.
I'm starting to feel better now about this one.
Now that you shoved this one off on me?
You know, the way you and I had figured it was you had maybe 50 on the boots, although I think they're about 5. Plus it turned out they were adjustments, they were areas.
But the vest is working.
But phone was a surprise. And the vest is worth 50, so
I got me
it
some
was
sweatpants.
really a no-brainer. Plus it was fun.
I got me some sweatpants.
Dude. And some shorts.
Some retro district, and they misspelled district.
You got you a bunch of pairs of Nautica men's underwear if you were into the little used underwear thing.
Yeah. I buy a lot of clothes from Goodwill. I don't care. I don't buy used underwear.
Yeah, their socks.
Oh, we got some more pillows.
Polaroid.
That might be worth something.
Yeah, it's a Japanese on the sleeve.
Yeah.
Might be decent. And there might be some other pretty decent clothes in there too. Those Ralph Lauren. Yeah, those Ralph Lauren.
There's some Hanes. Hanes.
No, good. He's got the Ralph Lauren flag. Well, they're probably a jeans company. A little lesser. Still pretty good.
All right,
Kind of like those.
guys. Oh, I got some tubs.
Those are my size. Ooh. How does that happen?
I don't know. How does
That's a joint. Somebody dropped a joint.
how does your
That's not big enough to be a cigarette.
how does your manhole burn a hole through the pants?
Somebody dropped a
They will.
a seed. A seed.
That is the definition of hot to try right now. You wouldn't they get mad if we just pushed it back in here and let
You
it?
can live. You know the whole tiny house movement thing. I wonder if you could rent a pod where they're like $100 a month, $150 a month.
And they
got
put you
room for a
up
bed.
and they just stick you up on a top shelf somewhere?
Yeah, I mean you'd have to just plan on not coming out about once a month.
Can you imagine how bad it was? Thanks for joining me on my first ever adventure into this genre.
First and last.
I'll give you a wrap-up video because I know you want to know how many pairs of underwear are in here. And
Space Jam, man.
Space Jam. That's what we're going to leave you with right there. Space Jam. Like, comment, subscribe, share. YouTubery, baby. See you in the next one. Dusty, what did we tell the people over at Bojangles?
Oh, that was a good chicken sandwich.
Roll Tide. That's what they told us over and over. Oh, I was like, what the hell is this camera around my neck? It's my hair.